Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the black or white bar at the bottom of your iPhone screen using guided access. This is a great trick to clean up your screen and focus on specific content. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app and scroll down to Accessibility. Once there, find and tap on Guided Access. Turn it on and then tap on Passcode Settings to set a passcode. This is important because it controls access to enabling and disabling guided access mode. Next, let's talk about how guided access works. It essentially locks your iPhone to a single app and removes unnecessary UI elements like the black or white bar at the bottom. To try it out, open any app where you want to remove the bar. Now press the power button 3 times quickly to activate guided access. On the guided access screen, tap Start at the top right corner, and this will initiate the mode and hide the bottom bar. When you're ready to exit guided access, triple press the power button again. Enter your passcode and you'll see an option to end guided access mode. Click End to end the guided access. And there you have it. With guided access, you can temporarily remove the bar at the bottom of your screen. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.